Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create this nut screw worm jack gear mechanism in Blender. So let's start. Press A, X and delete. Click on add mesh and click on gear gen master. If it is not showing, it basically means that you have to install this add-on. It is totally free of cost. Just check out the link in description. Click on here and instead of external choose form. Increase the number of teeth 50. Just to know that this 50 is not the number of teeth on this gear. This is the another one that is on circle one. And let's remain it 4 and change it to diameter of worm to 2 and change it to cylindrical. Okay, this looks okay to me, but this is low poly, so let's increase it to 50 or 62 might be fine. Yeah, 62 is okay. So right click on shade auto smooth. Okay, this is the first thing that we have done. Now I need a gear to rotate. Click on add mesh, click on gauge and master, click on worm gear. Remember the number 50? Yes, so here I will put it 50. So this is how to flex. Okay, one more thing, but this width is not quite good, so increase it to how much? 2 meter. If you remember that this case also has a diameter of 2, so this is where it comes from. And one thing that you notice that this doesn't have any curve here, so let's add some curve to make it more accurate. 6 7 8, I think it is fine. Now increase the diameter of the hole because there my shaft will be go. So increase the hole diameter. Notice it's doing there. Now press 7. Now what I will do, I will add a empty. Select this, click on here, modifier, generate array. How many I want? 50. Great. Make it 0. Uncheck this, sorry. Click on object offset, select the empty, click on relative offset, select the empty, press R, Z. But how much I need to rotate? That's the good question. So select the empty, go here, type 360 divided by 50, and voila, it's automatically calculated for us. Be a smart guy, not a lazy guy. Lazy and smart. So select this, click on here and apply. Press tab, press A, mesh, merge by distance. So if there is any unwanted distance, you see 650 watts is removed. Trust me, it's a good thing. So select this, press G, X and move it here. Now select this tab, press 2, go to the selection modes. Uh, select this, okay, select this edge. By pressing shift, select this edge and right click, loop tools, bridge. If loop tools is not there in your case, go to edit preferences. It's an inbuilt add-on, so make sure that you use it and enable it. Press 7 on numpad. Now what I will do is select this, press R, Z and align it, try to align it correctly. Okay, that's, I think this looks good to me. Now I want to do the animation part. So how can I do it? Yeah, it's a good thing. So select this, press Ctrl A and apply rotation. Before applying rotation, I want to see. Notice it is negative 3.543. So if I use drivers, it will create issues for me. So select this, press Ctrl A and apply rotations. Great. Now right click, add driver. After that, go here and go to the drivers. Select the gear. Click on Z. Driver tab will be there. If it is not showing, press N. Drivers. From where I'm taking input, I'm taking input from this one. What I'm taking its y rotation. So what I want to do, I want to multiply it by zero point 0.02. Okay, why 0.02? That's the important question. The thing is, if you want to know about it, the math logical behind it, you need to check out my course because it's a long thing and I don't want to teach maths if you are not interested. Just to know that you need to know this. If you rotate it, let's see it is correct or not. Watch carefully. Notice it's mathematically correct. If you want to know what is the logic and math behind it, check out the course link in description. Now this is the one thing. What I want to do is next is to create a shaft that will move up and down with threading. So what I can do, one thing is that I work like an idiot and create a shaft with threading. Another is using a smart way. So click on add mesh and look for the extras. Look, is there a bolt, anything bolt? If you are not able to see, that's a good thing. So I will go to the edit preferences and search for nut. Okay, nut is not there. Bolt. Yeah, bolt factory. Make sure it is checked. Now I will go to the add mesh and look for the bolt. Hey, look, there's a bolt. So this is what I'm looking for. Yes. Now first thing that I will going to do is uh, let's see thread. So this will increase the height. So increase the height as per your requirement. Let's say I will increase it to 20. Yeah, this looks good to me, but the diameter is too big. So I will decrease the diameter and decrease this one as well. And there is a pitch. Make sure that you remember the pitch thing. Okay, why pitch? The thing is that pitch defines, for example, if this gear rotates 360 degree, it means it will go how much? 0.35 meters. I know, I'm taking math seriously here, but sometimes your client want accuracy, so this is the thing you need to take care of your own. So what I will do right now is select this, press 1, zoom in, press tab, go to the selection mode, make sure these two modes are on, select this and press X, delete vertices. Okay, now the issue. Press 2 as selection mode, select this edge, select this edge, select this edge, select this edge. Now press S, Z, 0. Press F to fill it. Wait, one task is done. Now what I will do, I will select this, press G, X and move it here. But I don't know it's correctly aligned or not. So press tab. As notice it automatically select the faces. That's good thing. If you don't know how to select it, go to the face selection mode. By pressing Alt Shift, select these faces. Press Shift as cursor to be selected. It automatically go at the center of it. Select this, Shift as selection to cursor. Now it is correctly at the center of it. Great. Press G, Z and move downwards. Press 7. It's a little bit small. Press S. If you want, you can make threading inside of it, and if you want little bit more high accuracy, go here and click on bolt. But instead of bolt, choose nut, and you can define your thread parameters as per your requirement and do it. But in my case, you see, when I do this animation, you will not able to see what is inside of it. So it's meaningless to make something that is not there, or I'm not going to show. So I don't see any logic behind making that. So I'm not making it. um, let's make this gear as well good as well. So press 2 by pressing alt shift like this. Now what I will do, press E, Y, press S, Y, 0. Notice that we have something unwanted thing. Press 1, select this, press X, delete vertices, select this, X, delete vertices, and press 2 as selection mode, and press 2, click on divide icon, mm, press F to fill it. Now what I will do, press A, mesh, merge by distance. So to remove all the unwanted meshes. That's all. Press 2, press GY up to here, press F to fill it, press I for insert, press E to extrude. Now here I will create my shaft, to rotate it and control this thing. Now let's do the same thing here. So press 2 for selection mode, press shift alt shift. Okay, press E and this, press SY 0, sorry, press Ctrl Z. Before I do something, press 1 and delete this thing. X click vertices, press 2, select this, press SY 0, press F to fill it, press 2, select this, alt shift, press F, uh, press A, mesh, merge by distance. Okay, uh, okay, this looks okay to me. So at the end we are going trying to make something like this. Hmm, now what we'll do, now what we will make is basically a cup at the top of it, basically on which the object or whatever thing is placed on it. So let's make it. So I will add a circle. Let's make it 16. Press tab, press F, enter, press G, Z, move it upward, press tab, press alt shift, uh, click on select, checker deselect, press alt, press E, alt, shift E. Okay. Uh, so press A, mesh merge by distance, tab, select this, select checker deselect, go here, click on median point, press 7, press E, enter, press S to scale it up, go here, click on individual region, press S and scale it down like this, press G, Z, move it upward, go here, mesh, generate, solidify, increase the thickness as per your requirements and apply it. Now what I will do, press 1, G, Z, move it here, select this and I will use a constraint. So I will select this, click on copy location, select this. I only want to copy the Z location, click on offset and press G, Z, move it upward. So if this thing goes up and down, you can see it's also going up and down. Now one thing that also need to show is that this need to be go up and down with this. So what I will do is select this and select this, press Ctrl A, apply location, press Ctrl Z, press Ctrl A, apply location. Notice that this thing goes upward. So that's the thing. So G Z, bring it downwards here. GZ. GZ. Notice it's working great. Now what I will do, what I want to say is that if this rotates 360 degree, it will move how much? 0.35 meter. How can I do it? That's a good question. So right click, add drivers, that location. I'm taking from what I'm taking its that rotation, this one. So let's first see how much it will go up for 360 degree. Okay, here's the thing. This one is controlled by drivers. This driver. So I can't change the value directly. I need to rotate this one on y-axis to change its value. Notice this is how it looks like. Now for this case, you can multiply with a number. Let's say 0.12. You can also use mathematically correct. It's up to you. But I don't want to make tutorial long, so I'm not going to make it that. Notice how slow and fast you can make it. So let's make it zero point 0.5. Hit and trial. I know I'm doing hit and trial. So in that way you can see that this is how it moves. There is a correct way, but this is not here because it's contain a lot of maths, and most of my viewers hate maths and so use cost laws. So I'm not going to teach that thing. Okay, now what I need is I need to place something here. So click on add mesh. Let's make it cylinder. GZ, scale it. GZ, press uh, divide icon, press tab, click select this face, I, and loop tools bridge. Click on divide icon again and press press shift Z and make it scale down. You can make your thread here basically to support it up and down. Press S Z G Z. Notice this thread is quite long. The main purpose is just so that if it is shorter then it will be issue, but if it is longer I can cut it. So this is what I'm going to do. Select this tab and select this two. And what I will do, I will select this, press X, click vertices, press 2 by selection mode, press Alt Shift, OK, press S Z 0, press F to fill it. Okay, that's good. Now what I will do, I will add a small cube. The purpose of this is to cut it. So press S X, scale it down. Press G Y to make it this way. Press G Z Z downwards. Press S Z, scale it up, and select this modifier. Generate boolean. Select this. Click on fast and apply it. Select this. Press X, delete because it's no use for us. Press Ctrl Z. Okay, I need to do it again. The issue is that its depth is not quite high. Press G Y. I think this much depth is fine. Now select this one and apply this modifier. Select this, press X and delete. Okay, this much is fine. The purpose of this is to guide it, because if it is not there, what will happen that It basically, it rotates. I don't want to be rotating, so that's the issue. And I need to add a stopper here. So add mesh, press Ctrl Z. You know why I delete this? If I can use this as a stopper, as that scale it down, scale Y, G, Y here. Let's give them some color. Select this. Let's make the handle. I forgot to make the handle of it. Select this tab. Press F to fill it. Now, how can I make the handle? So it's not a big task. Select this. Shift as cursor to be selected. Add mesh circle. Press GY. Move it here. RX90. Tab. Select this. Shift D. Enter GX. Scale. Select this. Press S to scale it down a little bit. Press E. Enter. Press S to scale it down. Now press E, enter, press S to scale it down. Now select these four faces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Press F to fill it. Press A, E, little bit here. Uh, One way that you can do is you can add another cylinder here. So let's add the cylinder here. 3 face selection mode. Shift as cursor to be selected. Add mesh and add the cylinder. Rotate X90. Scale it down. Press 7. Press G, Y here. Tab. Select these two. G, Y, tab. So right click shade auto smooth. Select this by pressing shift. Select this one. Press Control P object. Select this. Select this. Okay. What I want that. Select this by pressing shift. Select this one. Press Control P object. So if I rotate this one R Y, notice my shaft is rotating. Select this and there is a issue. If you guys notice that it is not moving up, it is fixed at its place and I don't like it and I need to see what's the issue. Just like this. Let's see what the issue. I think the issue is that it's taking in the form of sinusoidal. Hmm. So how can I fix this box? Think about, think. So let's see. What is the issue here? I need to also figure out that rotation workspace is correct. Right click shader to smooth. I think driver's equations that I mentioned here is not correct. So that's the reason it is not working properly. So what I can do is I have another way, that is use constraints, but constraints will not give me the correct orientation, so not going to use it. So what I can do, I have to use correct math. Let me think about it. 360 degree. So what I've done is I just simply make var 1. So instead of making a small number, so it's working fine for me. Okay, notice something, that the issue is that when I rotate this thing, because of that the issue is arising. So what I can do is, currently this is parent to this one. So let's change the hierarchy. Select this by pressing shift, select this one, press control P, object. Okay, loop in parents. Okay, so what I have to do is select this one and go to the relations, cancel this one. Now select this one by pressing shift, select this one and control P, object. So if I rotate this now, note it is working. So I think this is a bug, because I was thinking why rotating this is not working. So it was working fine, but it need to rotate, not this one, because of some parent relation issues. So yeah, that's the thing. I solved right in front of you, nothing like I hide something. So in that way you can create this net screw jack mechanism. I know it's not look that much great, but the main aim is just to show you how to make mechanism in Blender. And I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubt and queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.